Right. 2019, question number 21. 29. What is the binary equivalent to decimal 54.25? So there's a number given 54.25. They're asking about the binary equivalent for the particular number. Actually, how we calculate numbers? If it is like 54 integer number, then you can continuously divide that by 2. So we know that method. 54 divided by 2, 27 and remaining 0. 27 divided by 2 is 1, 3 remaining 1. And that is divided by 3, 2 is 6 remaining 1. Divide by 2 again, that is 3 remaining 0. And you divide it by 2 is 1 remaining 1. So altogether, so you can say the number is 110, 110, 110, 110. That is the integer part, 110, 110 here, this one. So you can find the integer part, it is 110, 110, and then 0.25, 0.25. Actually, you don't write the 0. Instead of writing 0, you write 25, right? 25. 25, the fractional part you have to multiply by 2. So that is 0.5. Again, take the fractional part, multiply by 2. 0.5 multiplied by 2 is 1.0. You take downwards. Here you took upwards. Here you take downwards. So it is 0, 1. So answer 3 is the correct answer for this question. Is there any other answer? I think answer 3 is the only answer. Yeah, answer 3 is the answer here. Okay, question number 30. So let me delete this. Hope this is correct. Question number 30 and 31. Can you provide your answers? 30, 31. 30 is from Cascadian style sheets. So there's a class selector given for Cascadian style sheet. So asking valid example for a class selector. Then asking about 31 is asking about the HTML method get and post. So can you send the answers quickly? First, we learn about them. There are 3 kinds of selectors in CSS. One is tag selector, where you mention the tag name. The second one is ID selector. In the ID selector, you put hash mark in front of the selector name. Then the third one is class selector. You put dot in front of the class name. So which is mentioned in about this dot is the first one. So 30 answer is number 1. So that is the type that we have, right? 30 is number 1. Then 31, right? 31. Which of the following is false regarding the HTML from form methods get and post? Which one of the following is false regarding the HTML form methods get and post? Both methods are used to transfer data from client side to server. Yes, that is true. False නෙමන්නේ. එතකොට දෙකම පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ client side ඉඳන් server side යවන්න තමයි. Get method is more efficient than post method. Yes, get method is faster because it is sending data immediately without any like it's actually get is used for small amount of data also. It is sending data to the URL, which will be faster. Get method is more suitable for sensitive data. No, it's wrong. So they're asking false statement. So 3 is the false because get is sending data to the URL. So the URL එක හරහා sensitive ඒවා යවුවා. If you send sensitive data to the URL, so then anyone can see the URL and find that sensitive data. That is not good. So sending sensitive data through URL is not recommended. It's recommended is sending data secretly. Sensitive data is sensitive. You have to send it secretly using post request. Post method does not have limit on the size of data. Yes, post you can send a lot of data. It depends on your memory and the capability of the server, but not on some other technology. So it's not having a limit. Post method cannot be bookmark. Bookmark means you can remember as a memory URL. Can you remember this as a URL? No. So that is true. Cannot. Yes. cannot be kept as a URL because host is sending data secretly. So you cannot bookmark the URL. So the wrong thing is get is used to get is more suitable for sending sensitive data. That is wrong. Wrong one is the correct answer here because they're asking about the false statement. So 3 is the answer. Okay, you have answered both questions. Good. So let's move to the next set of questions now. (32). Try to answer this quickly. Let me please send me the answers, Pute. 32 to 35. It's too small. 32 to 35. Try 32 to 35. Question number 32. The diagram shows variation of value of information with the time for the 5 events of single mission chronological order, information about the entire mission, especially about the occurrences of each event made online. Consider the following statement related to the above. They are asking which of the statements related to the mission are valid. Information about the entire mission, especially about the occurrences of each event. Only the event PQR comply with the golden rule of information. No, all are complying with golden rule of information. So the starting value is high. When time goes, the value is diminishing. Event S has the highest demand and the needs to be facilitated with the highest technical resources. Cannot exactly tell, but event S is like, you can see the value is like high demand and high value is showing. But even though the highest demand and highest value is showing, doesn't mean that you need to allocate the highest technical resources. But it has some high value. Partially true, not fully. The value of an event determined reasonably using the demand for the information about the particular event. Value of an event can be determined reasonably using the demand of information about the particular event. Yes, that is also true. BC. You can take 2 or 4. So if you take the partial answer, BC. If you take the fully correct answer, then you can go to the C. 32. Okay, let's consider the partial. Let's do the chance to the partial probability also. BC, 4th one. So let's take that as the answer. But strong, so there are some occurrences where the highest demand needs some facilitate with the highest technical resources. හැම වෙලේම truth නෑ පුතේ. හරි. ඒ කියන්නේ demand එක වැඩි මේකට උපරිමේම දෙන්න ඕන කියන එක උපරිම සම්පත් දෙන්න ඕන කියන එකම නෙවෙයි. එහෙම දෙනවා නම් හොඳයි. Needs to be facilitated with the highest technical resources. කමන්න ඒක ගමු අපි. ඒත් එක හැම වෙලේම true වෙන statement එකකුත් නෙවෙයි හැබැයි. Consider the following statement related to nature-inspired computing. Nature-inspired computing use natural phenomena scenario are observed and used in the design, develop compute models, solve complex problems. That is correct. Nature-inspired computing වලදී natural phenomena එකක් scenario එකක් බලලා ඒක පාවිච්චි කරනවා complex problems solve කරන්න. That is correct. Artificial intelligence can use nature-inspired computing for improving its ability to understand and solve computationally challenging problem. Artificial intelligence can use nature-inspired computing to improve its ability to understand, solve computationally challenging problems. True. Computing models and algorithms developed under nature-inspired computing only be used in natural environments such as rainfall. No, that is not true. So you can take the answers. Incorrect, no? They're asking incorrect answers. Incorrect answer is C. C is incorrect answer. 33, it's C. C means tree. Yes, tree. 34. What is the correct statement related to the system development? Direct deployment is the most complex and the slowest from the form of deployment. Direct is slowest, mean it's the fastest, right? You store direct deployment, you stop the all system. Parana system එක දවසකින් ඒ වෙලාවෙම නවත්තලා අලුත් system එක පාවිච්චි කරන්න පටන් ගන්නවා. So will be faster. Direct deployment will be faster. In pilot deployment, all users have ability to use the system at the beginning. Not all users, only some users, right? Parallel development, old and new systems are used at the same time. In parallel deployment, all and new systems are used at the same time. Yes, true. That is true. Phase development do not allow users to develop skills required to the new system gradually. Yes. Phase development do not allow users to develop skill required for the new system gradually. Cannot tell like that also. Phase deployment means the entire system is used in one location now. So correct regarding this, parallel deployment, old and new system are used in the same time. So that is the answer for 34. It's answer 3. 34 answer is 3 or 4. Parallel deployment allow old and new systems used in the same time. That is the answer, right? Parallel කියන්නේ දෙකම එකනේ. Old එකත් යනවා new එකත් යනවා. Same time දෙකම use වෙනවා. That is the parallel deployment. So it's 3. Yes, Netmi, it's possible. So why are you facing some signal issues? What's the issue, Netmi? Is there any other issue preventing you accessing the class? I think signal problem, right? Okay. Consider the following statements. Consider the following statements. A hub connects only network computers, but switch connects multiple devices. A hub connects only network computers, switch connect multiple devices. Both switch and hub can connect multiple devices. A switch manages the ports and VLAN security settings. A switch, yes, manageable switch can manage. Not all the switches, but manageable switch can manage it. A data transmission in data transmission, hub uses bits while switch uses frames and packets. This hub is basically repeating, switch is using frames, packets, correct. And then the data transmission speed hub is higher than the switch. Hub is slower than the switch, basically. Hub is not higher, it is slower than the switch. So we can get the answer as we asking which are the correct things, no? Hub connects only network computers, switch connect multiple components. That is true. But switch can also, hub can also connect other network network components. That is partially, right? Partially, switch manage ports and VLAN security settings. Not all switches, it's manageable switch. Manageable switch can manage, but not all switches. So we cannot take. In data transmission, hub uses bits while switch uses frames and packets. Switch actually not using packets, but packets can be used in the router level. Therefore, it also has some problems. But the all A, B, C are partially correct. Since you don't have any answer, you have to go for this. It's a problematic, right? So you have to go for the answer number 1. But it is also problematic. Why I'm telling? Okay, let me show this with evidences. Connecting different components to network hub. So you can read different articles in the internet, but so you see the pictures, diagrams. Here, can you see? So this is here digital thinker here. You can see there's a hub. Hub is connecting server, client, client. These are computers. This is computer, this is computer. But here hub is connecting the bridge also. Right? Hub is connecting the bridge also. එතකොට දැන් මෙතන කියලා තියෙන කතන්දරේ පුතේ බලන්න මෙතන කියලා තියෙන්නේ hub connects only network computers. Computers විතරයි කියන්නේ but switch connect multiple devices. ඉතින් මේක මෙහෙමයි switch එකට පුළුවන් switch is more intelligent. ඒක ඇත්ත. හැබැයි මේ කතාව හැම වෙලේම true නැහැ. ඒක තමයි මට මෙතන කියන්න ඕනේ. මේ කතාව හැම වෙලේම true නැහැ. මොකද hub connects only the network computers but switch connect multiple devices. දැන් එතකොට මේ diagram එක එහෙනම් බොරු වෙන්න එපා. hub connect computers only. නෑ hub එකට මේ අනිත් ඒවා connect වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. දැන් මෙතන තියෙන ඔන්න තව එකක් මේකෙත් දාලා තියෙන hub එකක්. එහෙමනම් මේ ඉන්ටර්නෙට් එකේ තියෙන ඔක්කොම sources බොරු වෙන්න ඕන. හරි hubs are unintelligent. ඒක ඇත්ත. ඒ වුණාට hub එකේ මේ hub එකට පුළුවන් මෙතන hub එකට print එකක් connect වෙලා තියෙනවනේ. So hubs can be here switch or hub, here also switch or hub. So both can be used to connect other components. Right? සාමාන්‍යයෙන් hubs computers වලට තමයි පාවිච්චි උනේ. හැබැයි hub එකෙන් connect කරන්න බැරි නැහැ අනිත් ඒවා. Right? Hubs. It's possible to connect other components to hub, right? So that's why you can see in the diagrams, otherwise these diagrams will be not true, right? You can see servers, printers, you can either connect to switch or hub. That is possible. So which is asking false or true? Correct. Then make a correct have a partially. In other switch manage ports, VLAN security settings. Switch manage ports. Switch වල වර්ග දෙකක් තියෙනවා. So I don't know why. So this who has created the paper and who has given these answers, there are two kind of switches. So one is called manageable switch. The other one is called unmanaged switch. Manageable switch was unmanaged switch. Right here. So you can see. So this is the comparison between a managed switch and unmanaged switch. Unmanaged and managed switch. So I want to show this with the evidences. That's why otherwise like others will argue that maybe other teachers or others can argue that. So this is not true. But I'll show you with show these things with evidences. Then you have to trust that. Managed switch actually open to configuration here. No configuration is the unmanaged plug and play, and it's maintained MAC address tables. It is less expensive, right? And here actually it's having bandwidth limitations, managing SNMP and all, VLAN support. මේවා තියෙන්නේ managed switch එකේ. එතකොට දැන් මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ වැරදිනේ පුතේ. මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ වැරදි. මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ වැරදි කියලා කියන්නේ මේ අවුරුද්දේ මේ ප්‍රශ්නේදී switch manage the ports VLAN security setting. එතකොට මෙහෙම switch තියෙනවා. ඒවා අපි කියන්නේ manage switch. Manage switch එකකට manage කරන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි unmanaged switch කියනවා manage කරගන්න බැරි. ඒකයි මම කියන්නේ partially මේක හරි. Switch manage ports and VLAN settings. For managed switch this is correct. එහෙම නැත්නම් මේක partially තමයි හරි. මොකද මොන switch එකක්ද කියලා කියලා නැහැ. Managed unmanaged කියලා කියලා නැහැ. In the data transmission, hub uses bits while switch uses frames and packets. මේක නම් මේකේ පොඩි error එකක් තියෙනවා. The hub uses bits. Hub කියන්නේ ඇත්තටම repeat කර කරන්නේ. hub යවන්නේ bits ඒක හරි. switch වලට frames පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන් higher level එකේදී තමයි packets පාවිච්චි වෙන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ managed switch වලදී frames සාමාන්‍යයෙන් පාවිච්චි වෙන්නේ switch level. Right? Packet level transmission එකක් වෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ වගේ router switch එකක් වගේ තමයි packet level transmission එකක් වෙන්නේ. Packet transmission in switch. The packet transmissions happens in a switch, but it's in some higher level. But lower level switches, so sometimes they have considered lower level switches as make a lower level switches as hubs maybe. Anyway, the data transmission speed is hub higher than the switch කියන එක වැරදි. Hub is slower than the switch. Hub is slower. මොකද hub has more traffic, it is slower than the switch. එතකොට D. D එක incorrect. D එක incorrect පැහැදිලිවම ඉතුරු තුන ඉතින් භාගෙට හරි මේකේ උත්තරයක් නැති හින්දා 1 තමයි ගන්න වෙන්නේ. අපි පොඩ්ඩක් මාකින් ස්කීම් එකත් බලමු මොනවද දාලා දීලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා. A level ICT 2019 marking scheme. Yes, please make a value and then make a. Let's go and check that. According to the marking, this is single medium, but that doesn't matter, right? English medium में कौन अब English medium बनाती है ना देखिए. Is it single medium? It's single medium. I need the English medium. 2019 English medium. New syllabus. MCQ questions. Let's go to the MCQ questions. Okay, here are the answers. Question number 30, 35. ඊට කලින් දෙකත් අපි check කරමු 33, 34, 3, right? 33, 34, 3. හරිද ඒක? 33, 34, 3. So it's question paper. 33 is 3, yes, which is incorrect. Yeah, C. 34 is also 3, right? That's what I said. 34 parallel deployment. Both are using same time. That is also 3. That is also correct. This one 4 is taken. 32, right? 32 4 is taken. That's why I said 32 4 is taken with the partially answer. Partially correct that one. Partially correct means like, you know, so 4 කියලා කියන්නේ BC. So highest එකටම highest facilities ම දෙන්න ඕන කියලා එකක් නෑ. හැබැයි ඒක partially correct. They have taken that B and C are the answers. So 4 here, 3 here, and 3 here. Here what 35? They have taken 1 as the answer. 35, 1 as the answer. 35 එකට 1 අරන් තියෙන ABC. මේක නම් මේ networking දන්නේ නැති මිනිස්සෙක් තමයි මම නම් හිතන්නේ මේක මේ හරි එක්කෝ මෙයා හිතාගෙන උත්තර දීලා තියෙනවා, but these are not correct, right? These are like partially correct answers, but don't remember in this way in practical networking that is not the situation, because A and B you can see it's both are like partial, both are partial answers. C you can agree anyhow, but anyway A and B you can't agree. So that's the point here. ඒ වගේව තියෙනවා, right? Okay, then let's move to question number 36, 37, 36 to 39. 36 to too small. Okay, 36 to 39. Consider the following statement about proxy server. It helps hide the true IP address. Main intention is not that, but yes, it helps, right? Main intention is not to hide the address, but the thing is because of the proxy server. Proxy server is like, you know, in Sinhala we call balalun lawa kossata bæwima, something like that. So proxy server is representing us and accessing internet on behalf of us. අපි වෙනුවට proxy server එක කරන්නේ අපෙන් request එක අරගෙන ගිහිල්ලා එයා ගිහිල්ලා ඉවරලා internet access කරලා එනවා. අපි වෙනුවට එයා ගිහිල්ලා internet access කරලා එනවා. That is the nature of proxy server. Right? එතකොට ඒකෙන් වෙන්නේ අපේ IP address එක true IP will be hidden and the proxy server's IP address will be appear. So that is indirect advantage of proxy server. And it used to restrict access to the websites in the network. It used to restrict the access of the website in a network. Yes, it can be used to filter internet. right? Filtered internet means it can be used to control internet. Some sites can be blocked, some sites can be allowed, likewise. It uses uses the cache data to pick plot in the regularly accessed website. That is also true. Caching means like keeping in the memory. Regular, let's say you are using a proxy server in your network. Let's say you have 40 computers in your home, right? 40 computers in your, so 40 computers in your lab, not home, in your lab. And five of your friends are downloading a movie. So they, since after downloading the movie is cached. This we have experience in universities and all, because they are mainly employing a proxy server. Universities, campuses, colleges, they are employing proxy server for caching. So when five of our friends download the movie, when we try to download the movie will come so faster. Movie will come so faster, even exceeding the download speed. Like, so let's say your connection is only 1 Mbps, but your local area connection is, let's say, 100 Mbps. Maybe movie will download with 100 Mbps speed. How that happens? It's not from the internet. What proxy server does, the regular downloads, it will cache. Nitara download kana pages, yeah, matake tiyaganno. Temporarily, yeah, tiyaganno. Then when some person demands, some person requests that web page, it will release from the cache. Nitara yeah, download kala tiyagani inno, power they cache again deno. So that will be faster, right? Rather than downloading it from the beginning from the internet, it's releasing the file from the cache. That will be faster. So that is true. It helps to detect the locations of the visitors, load web pages, and the per day needs. Help to detect location of the visitors. Yes, proxy server can be used to detect the location of the visitors and load pages as per their needs. That is also a proxy server rule. So proxy server, as I said, it can be configured with the rules. එතකොට අපිට දාන්න පුළුවන් D A B C D all four are correct. A B C D all four are correct for 36. All are correct. Yeah. Consider the following logic diagrams to answer to 37 to 38. So this representation is a full adder. The logic function S can be, S is A XOR B XOR C, correct? The logic function C out is A and B, C and C in and here actually A B XOR will come here. So you can take C in A B. So this first one, second one, correct. 37. But so what about this function C out? C out is AB, BC. AB, B is there, C is there, and AC. AB, BC, AC. Okay, you can take like that. That is possible. Actually, at least, actually, that is an operation of all three separately, or you can take all three. So an operation will give the C. This is actually remainder. This is sum. S is sum, C is remainder. 37, you can take all are correct. 38. Which of the following statements correct about part of the circuit which areas surrounded in dotted line? Dotted lines are half adder. It can be implemented AND or OR gates, is correct. It can be implemented only using AND gates, that is also correct. So, sorry. So this one is incorrect. Second one is incorrect. Why? AND OR gate and NOT gate is also needed, right? AND or NOT gate. So 1 3 means fourth one. 1 3 means fourth one is correct. The NOT gate it can be implemented using AND OR gates and NOT gates. If all three are there, that is correct. Otherwise, it's incorrect. So it is 1 and 3 only. NAND only implement NAND we call those gates universal gates, because anything can be implemented using NAND gate and OR gate. 39. Consider the K-map shown below. Which of the following is correct logic expression that correspond to the 2 mark sequence of Karnaugh method? Zeros තමයි group කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Zeros group කරලා තියෙන නම් අපි O gate එකෙන් හිතන්න ඕනේ. O gate එකෙන් හිතනවා නම් අපිට ගන්න වෙන්නේ product of sums terms නැත්නම් O term වල and එක. O term වල and එක අරන් තියෙන්නේ 3යි 4යි විතරයි. 3යි 4යි විතරයි. එහෙනම් බොහෝ දුරට 3 හෝ 4 තමයි උත්තරේ. 3 හෝ 4 තමයි උත්තරේ. දැන් අපි බලමු ඇත්තටම උත්තරේ මොකක්ද කියලා. For the first group, C is constant. And you can see A is also constant. Both are 0. A 0 විදියට නියතයි. A is a constant. A 0 විදියට නියතයි. A is a constant. Here also a 0. C is also constant. A 0 විදියට නියතයි. then 0 තමයි O gate එකට ඕනේ. If both are 0, that means you need A or C. A or C is one term. Because both are 0, O gate will output 0. That is what we need. Become 0 when I own. So A or C is the answer. I think then the fourth one. Okay, let's see the next one. You can see AB. AB both are constant for this. C is changing, AB constant, but A should be here. A1 with it, 1 with it, 0 with it. So you need to take A is not. Here also B is also 0. B not. So both are constant as ones. එක විදියට නියත එහෙනම් මේ දෙකම not කරලා ගන්න වෙනවා. You need A not B not. So the fourth one is the answer for the question number 30. Okay, let's discuss the next set of questions quickly. I think we can finish today. The paper you can finish. Okay, try to answer question number 40 to 42. To 42. Okay, up to 47, I think you can answer. Up to 47, you can answer. Okay, sorry, I couldn't put the record in, so Senali was like, sorry, Netmi was asking for the recording. I couldn't put that. Sorry, I'm again putting that. So this will be considering 8 inputs. Yes, true. You can see 8 to 0, 18 and 0 when I come up to 0. This will repeat. 8 and 7, likewise, this will repeat. So 8 inputs, correct. It takes output and produce the positive numbers. Yes, because if it is n is less than or equal to 0, it's not taking the multiplication, only the positive numbers. If every input is 0, output will be 0. Every input is 0 means like here, all are 0. You can see if all are 0, so it's not multiplying this by n. That means n result remain 1. So it's not 0, it's 1. So AB only. So then if the following is fed to the input algorithm, what will be the output? 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 4 is 1, 6 into 4 is 24, 24 into 1, 24, 24 into 5 is 120, 120, that is the positive number multiplication. So you can see that one. Third one is the answer for 41. 42, which of the following Python programs have the same functionality? I equal 8, result equal 1. Okay. While I greater than 0, while I greater than 0, okay, in input, and if n is greater than 0, multiplication done. Yes, first one is correct. It's written in other way. In a 0 වලට වැඩි නම් මේක continue කරන්න කියලා දීලා තියෙන්නේ. මේකේ දීලා තියෙන 0 වලට වැඩි නම් stop කරන්න, නැත්නම් 0 වලට අඩු නම් stop කරන්න කියලානේ. ඒකම අපිට පුළුවන් 0 වලට වැඩි නම් continue කරන්න කියලා දාන්න. So that is correct. The second one, I result equal 1, 5 in range 8. Being 8 times input in and yes, that is also true. Result equal 1, I while 1 input, if not n less than or equal to 0, yeah, if not is 0, then you multiply minus. If this is less than 0, break. Yeah, that is also true. All are true there. Yeah, all are true. 42, you can say 5 is the answer. 5 is the answer. So this one is also correct, right? While true කියලා දාන්න පුළුවන්. While true, you are putting while true in while 1 කියන එක කියන්නේ while true ම තමයි. මේ while 1 වෙනකොට while true දාන්නත් පුළුවන්. You input කරලා ඉවරලා බලනවා 0 වලට අඩු නොවේ නම් not කියන එකෙන් අඩු නොවේ නම් ඒක වැඩි කරනවා. එතකොට හරියනේ result එක හැදෙන්නේ. ඊළඟට I equal I minus 1 හරි ඒකත් එකකින් එක අඩු වෙවි කියන යනවා. ඊළඟට I බිඳුවට අඩුයි හෝ සමාන නම් break වෙනවා. That means when you go to the 0 this is also correct, right? A, B, C all are true. So you can take 43, 42 answer is number 5. Okay, then which of the following statements are correct? Which of the following statements are correct? A high level language program is translated into machine code and executed in a computer, will not execute in another computer having the same processor as X. The high level language translated into machine code, already translated and executed in computer X, will not execute in another computer having the same processor as X. It's already compiled in the machine code. Same processor is there, I mean same architecture, it will. So this is wrong, it will. A program in high level language must be first converted to assembly language code before converted to machine code. Not always, but better. Not always, partially correct. Interpreted programs run faster than the compiled one. Interpretation is far, no, compilation is far faster than interpretation, the other way. Programs in some high-level languages are translated into a form called bytecode because such bytecodes execute faster than machine codes obtained by the, no. Bytecode is not execute faster. So machine code is the fastest. So converting bytecode is true. You can convert it to intermediate code called bytecode because of the platform independence. Actually, to provide the platform independence, you do it. In Java also, we are doing this to provide the platform independence. Because bytecode එක හදාගත්තම ඕන තැනකට අපිට ගෙනියන්න. We can move to another platform. So bytecode is something like intermediate code, a half executed code. It is not machine code, some intermediate code. But that is not faster than the machine. Some modern processors execute programs in high-level languages without translating to manual. So translating is anyway needed. So all 5 are wrong. Only partial correct answer is 2. 43 you can take. Method will not, you have given 1 as the answer, will not, will execute. If both processors are equal, then the machine code will be executed in the second processor. So they are saying will not, it's not will not, will execute. Here, so this is somewhat correct. Second one is somewhat correct, but no proper answer. So let's see what has happened in the marking scheme if they have given it. 43, all right. Because no proper answer is there. 43 they have given all. 40, this is not the one we will discuss. Okay. 44. What is the value of the following Python expression? 100 floor divided by 3 will be 33. Floor divide කියන්නේ divide කරලා පූර්ණ සංඛ්‍යාව ගන්න. Floor division. You divide and take the full value. That is 33. 33 modulus 4 is remaining 3. 33 divided by 4 is, it's keeping 3 as remainder. 308. 308 will be, 8 is 1000. 3 will be 011. 308. 308 කියලා ගත්තම අපිට එන්නේ ලියලා බලමු. 3 කියන එක binary වලින් ලියුවම 0011. 8 කියන එක ලියුවම 1000. ඕක කරා නම් එන්නේ 1011. 1011 is 11. Oh, sorry. 33 divided by 4 remainder is 1 නේද? 32 වලටම තියෙනවනේ. 4 ඒවා 4 වඩක් 8ක් තියෙනවනේ. In the 1 remaining, 1 remaining වෙන්නේ මෙතන 33 හරි 33 modulus කරාම එකක් remaining 0001. 1000 is 8. O කරාම 1001 එන්නේ. කියන්නේ 9. 5 is the answer. Question number 44. 5, yes, 5 is the answer, correct. Good. So it seems that you are in good level, you are answering well. What will be the output if the following code is executed in ABC as the input? ABC as the input. Result equal 1, S equal input. Result equal 1, S equal input. ABC. If length is greater than 3 years, it is greater than 3, result will be 2. Result will be 2. If length is less than 6, 1, 2, 2, 6. If length is elif මේ if එකේ තමයි මේ elif එක තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට මේ elif එක run වෙනවා. This elif will run. The length is greater than 6. No, 6 is not greater than 6. Result is 4. Then it will come to the else. Result will be 5. එතකොට මෙතන if එකේ ඇතුළට එනවා. So you have to, this is like tricky one, right? මේ if එකේ මේක වෙනවා. If length is greater than 3 හින්දා මෙන්න මේක වෙනවා. මේක වෙලා ඊළඟ එක අලුත් if එකක් නේ. එහෙනම් ඒ if එක ඇතුළටත් එනවා. When the new if is executed, you know this is not true, so it will not come to this. So this is true. This is true, it will come to this. When it comes to true, this and then if this is greater than 6 years, sorry, it's not true, right? Greater than 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal to 6. So it will be go to the else and find this one. So 5 is the answer. Tricky question. It's a very tricky question. 46. What will be the output of the following Python code? X is 100 for x in range 1, for I in range 1, 5. X is x minus 1. X is x minus 1. First time you can see x is x minus 1. 100 minus 1 is 99. 99 minus the next I is 2. 99 minus 2. 99 minus 2, 97. So next I is 3. 97 minus 3 is 94. 94. 94 minus 4 is 90. So here it will stop from 90 because 5 will 10 and 4 will 10. So answer will be 90 here for 46. Answer is 90. First time ekak aduwena. 1 minus 100 minus 1 is 99. 99 minus 2 is 97. 97 minus 3 is 94. 94 minus 4 is 90. So it is number 4. 47. What will be the output of the following Python runs? Lot of Python questions. You can see how many Python questions. If you give up Python, that is the end. Python atarla giya nan iwarai. So it's very important thing. So learning Python is very important. Right. What will be the output of the following code segment? Python code segment. For I in range length of L can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10. For I in range 10. If Li is less than 0, continue. You don't do anything. If Li is greater than 10, you will break. Less than 0 නම් continue කරනවා. Continue කරනවා කියන්නේ loop එකම ඊළඟට run වෙන තැනට continue will skip everything and come back to the beginning. If it is less than 0, continue. That will, it will skip these things. The minus numbers will be skipped. If it is greater than 10, break. The higher ordinal break. So here 11 is 10. Greater than 10, it will break when it is 11. Otherwise, x equal x plus Li. X is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. That plus 4 is positive numbers only because minus the method continue. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10, 10, 10. After that, break. Because 11, when it comes to 11, it will break. So 10 comes when answer is 3. So 47, answer is 3. So C, 47 answer is 3. Very good. Yeah. Good. Right. So very another set of questions. I think few questions will be remaining. So let's finish that also. So one question is given in Python. X equal 50, def function y x2 is y4. Function x is executed again. Function x means 50. 50 def x. Then printing this. This is the function. Function is executed with the 50. 50 is given means y 50. Okay, so the task in printing x. So nothing will happen. But printing x, like it will give x, no? X will be 2. But this x is not, this x is outside, right? This x is outside the function. So when it is outside the function, what will happen? When it is outside the function, it will be treated as a global variable. If you want to change the same x, මෙතන අපි දෙන්න ඕන global x කියලා. This won't change because this x given inside global x කියලා දුන්නොත් මේක වෙනස් වෙනවා දෙකට. If you give global x, then after that x equal to, then this 2 will be as the output. But global x කියලා දීලානේ. Therefore, function x will run, and this local x and local y will be 2 and 4. But that is not affecting this x. X is global. Global, it's not changing. So 50 will remain as the answer. It is 1. So if you give global x කියලා දුන්නා නම්, the x will be 2. Since you have not given global x, it will remain as 50. Then, which of the following is not an information stored in process control box PCB of operating system? Free disk slots could be utilized by the process. That is not a part of, not an information stored in the process PCB. Memory management information that is stored. Program counter, of course, because you need to count the line. Process identification number, yes, that is PIN. So that is a unique identifier. Every PCB has a PIN. Process state, yes, block ready or running. Memory management information, yes, that is also free disk slots, but it is not consideration of. So yes, they're asking not, right? Not considered is 1. That is free disk slots. Other things you need about the process and the memory you need to store in the PCB, except the disk slots. Disk slot, this is actually in the storage management, not in the memory management. Last one is asking about SQL. Consider the following SQL: update school, set contact person Sripal W, where school ID is equal. Which of the following is true when the above statement is executed? It adds an additional field. No, it doesn't add additional field. It adds an additional value. Additional value, whenever it's updating the extra like already in, it changes the field name. No, it's not changing the field name, it's changing the field value. It changes the value of contact persons. Yes. Value of change person as Sripal W only in the records where the school ID is 4. Yes, that is the exact answer. So 4 is the answer. It changed the value of contact person where the school ID is 4. Self-explanatory. 4 is the answer for question number 50. Okay, we have discussed a lot of questions today, right? Because we did it faster. Discuss the entire paper. Next day, I think we can start with the new paper. With that, I'll stop for today. Good night. See you on next week.